Hi, welcome back to my bar. Today we're going to make a twist on a very simple drink, the Cuba Libre, basically a rum and Coke. So today what we're going to be doing is making a cherry Cuba Libre that's keto friendly, that is as low as carb as you can get, and is low calorie as well. So the Cuba Libre basically got its name because it was popularized or possibly even invented in Cuba during their liberation, Cuba Libre actually meaning free Cuba. So here are the ingredients that we're going to need. First thing that we're going to need is we're going to need white rum. You don't want to use spiced rum. You don't want to use a dark rum. And we already have portioned out a 1.5 ounce pour in the shot glass here. We are also going to need fresh lime. What differentiates a Cuba Libre from just a basic rum and Coke is it comes with lime as the garnish. So we need fresh lime. Obviously a cup of ice, a glass of ice here. And then here is the special ingredient. This is what is going to make it as keto friendly as possible. We are using cherry zevia soda. Zevia soda being a great alternative to a regular diet soda or Cola Zero or something like that, because this is actually flavored naturally with stevia instead of aspartame and or sucralose. Those unnatural artificial sweeteners have been tied to certain health conditions and also weight gain. So we want to use a naturally flavored soda, something flavored with stevia. Zevia soda fits that bill. All right, so on to construction. First things first, very simply, we're going to pour our rum into the glass. Again, this is about a 1.5 ounce pour, and you're going to want to do about a 3-to-1 rum to cola kind of concoction. It doesn't have to be exact. Once I get my 1.5 ounces in and I've filled my glass about half full with ice, I just pour the rest with soda. And this is a clear soda, but it does taste like cola. And it's a cherry cola, so we're making a cherry Cuba Libre. So it's going to taste like a cherry Coke with rum and lime. It's a really good drink, especially on a hot day. So we fill that up all the way. And now comes the age-old question. There's been a battle brewing maybe for centuries in the bartending world. Do we go lime wedge or do we go lime wheel? So we've got a lime wheel here and we've also got wedges. Which do we go with? I am a lime wheel fan, so we're going to do the lime wheel. I just think it looks nicer. It's going to end up in the drink anyway as part of the flavoring. So that is it. That is the keto, low-cal, low-carbohydrate, cherry, rum, and Coke, cherry Cuba Libre. All right, cheers.